Hello students, today we are going to demonstrate you the displacement measurement kit or displacement measurement trainer. It is basically based on a strain gauge transducer. Transducer is a device which converts one form of energy to another form of energy. Here we have most of the transducer which convert some other form of energy. Some other means it may be mechanical energy, it may be vibrational energy or any other to the electrical form or electrical energy. Here displacement measurement trainer or displacement measurement transducer will convert the displacement. This is the trainer or this is the displacement transducer. Here it is the spring which is connected to a meter. It is a screw gauge, and using this screw gauge we are going to measure the displacement in form of or in the unit of micrometers और mm. इन दोनों में हम इसको मेजर कर सकते हैं. And it will be compared with the digital meter which is given over the kit. इन दोनों को ही आप यहाँ पर आपस में कंपेयर करेंगे एंड अ ग्राफ विल बी ड्रॉन बिटवीन बोथ द रीडिंग्स. द फर्स्ट रीडिंग विच वॉज अटेन्ड बाय दैट माइक्रोमीटर which was associated with this transducer, and the second one the reading of digital meter. The first step is we have to connect this transducer to the trainer kit. For the simplicity of connection, the codes are given. The color of patch cord is similar to the color of knob, like it is an orange color. The saffron color, it has to be connected to the same color knob. Green color to the green knob, red color patch to the red knob, and black to the black. The connection has been made. The second thing, the output of this circuit has to be connected to the digital meter. This digital meter is meant to measure the voltage which will be generated by this transducer, as well as it will also measure the distance which we can vary by this knob. Both the things we can measure using this. Just connect this to the output of this circuit should be connected to the voltmeter. Now we have to ensure that the zero position of this meter, I have just switched it on, and you can have a view of digital meter. I have calibrated it to zero position. Now I have to take the reference. For reference, I am keeping this screw gauge at zero position. Look at this. Check. Both have been set to the zero. It is our reference. Now I'll get readings of voltage as well as mm. This knob can be adjusted to the millivolt, MV as well as to millimeter. I will keep a reading, that is micrometer reading mm, this one dVm reading mm from here, and the third one I'll take the reading of digital voltmeter in MV, that will be secondary option. The first of all, here the displacement which will be provided by moving this micrometer, and the measurement will be done by this digital meter. These both readings has to be matched together, or these has to be compared using a graph or using a characteristics. Look at this. I am moving this micrometer from 0 position to 5 mm, and when it was on 0 position, the digital meter was also showing 0 position. Now go through the digital meter. It is showing 2.8. The micrometer reading in mm is 5, while the dBm reading in mm is 2.8. See, it is not exactly measuring. There is a comparison. Means whatever calibration would have been done by the manufacturer of these two devices, of this kit as well as this transducer, will impact on these reading. On the reading of digital voltmeter, I have to just ensure, or I have to just keep the record of variation, which will be shown through a graph. Just took another reading. I'll again put it on further, that is, let's say 10 mm. The reading of micrometer is, the second reading is 10, that is in mm, and the digital voltmeter shows 6.2. Just go ahead. I am moving it to 15, and when the micrometer reading shows 15 mm, the value of digital meter has become 9.6. We should take one more reading for this sake of precaution, or I can say precision. It is 17. I am just taking the value of micrometer to the 2 digits of mm. At 17 mm reading of micrometer, the digital meter shows value 11. I have taken these 4 readings. Now I will have to get all the readings corresponding to the micrometer reading. I will change this reading, or I will get the reading of voltmeter. Means what this transducer is basically doing, the displacement which is being provided to it is being converted to the electrical signal. Electrical signal means it can be current, it can be voltage, whichever quantity or whichever the signal I can sense. Here my sensor or my output is providing me the value of voltage. So I will change this knob to the MV scale, millivolt scale. See, 110 MV. 110 MV is corresponding to the micrometer reading of 17 mm. Now I will keep getting this reading in decreasing order. I will again move it to the 15 mm, and at 15 mm the value of digital voltmeter is 95 millivolt. The next step is 10 mm. At 10 mm the value is 60 millivolt. At the last, I have started my experiment from 5 mm of micrometer. It shows 26 millivolt. So just keep the relation. You can match these two values. These are almost same. So I'll draw a graph between these two readings, or first and third readings, it will give me a pattern. So now the precaution for again, if somebody else has to do some experiment on this kit, I'll have to put it on 0. I should put it on the 0. Otherwise, it is the duty of the person who is going to start the practical that he should calibrate or he should ensure the 0 position of the equipment at the starting of the practical.